All right, guys, so before the video, I do want to say everything that I'm saying in this video is for entertainment purposes only. This is only to show you exactly what could happen. Nothing that I'm saying in this video is something I know. It's only assumptions and all for entertainment purposes only. That's all it is for, okay? There's no knowing me of, wait, no. I don't know if I'm buying stolen goods at all. This is all just assumptions, and I'm as shocked as you guys, and I just want to entertain you guys. So just like Lil Durk put in his album in the beginning, like, you know, this is all fiction.
Literally sounds like you're you're still talking too much.
So yes, all lies, all fake. Enjoy the video. What's up, everybody? You already know how it go. It is your boy B back with another video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I appreciate you. If you don't know who I am, my name is Brandon Jones and I specialize in helping you. Yes, I said it. You make an extra income. And today, guys, we are going to be filming something I've never thought that I would be filming, okay? I never thought that I would be actually showing you guys this, but I am. So, number one, by reading the title, you already know what this is about. But if you guys are somebody that is flipping phones already, if you're not a part of our Discord, I don't know what you're doing, okay? Become a part of a Discord that is surrounding yourself around like-minded individuals and people that push you to be better every single day. I have a group chat on this Discord that is completely receptive to everybody. I don't care if you're a beginner, you're advanced, you're new, you resell, you phone flip. If you are somebody that is a hustler, get in the chat, okay? That's number one. Number two, make sure you guys subscribe because you're supposed to be a part of the Hustlers family. And I can't thank you guys enough for all of the likes, the love, the comments, all of the positivity. I appreciate it. Now, we're gonna get into this, okay? It is 8/11, okay? I have a very, very bad sprained ankle, and I just went out and started to actually do a process buying a phone with a sprained ankle. And the reason I did this was because, one, I want to continue to get better. Two, I want to make money. But three, this was a wholesale seller I've dealt with about 3 years ago. He used to come to my store every single week. I'm talking about, I had to make around $5,000 off of this person. And this person was consistent. This person is somebody that does this on a daily basis. This is his job. He goes to stores and he uses people to get devices. Now, I'm going to be showing you in this video a receipt that shows you exactly how much he paid for these devices. I'm also going to tell you how much I paid him for these devices. We're going to break it all down. All right. Now, if you are somebody that is looking to start to actually sell phones to wholesalers, definitely go to imhustlersmindset.com and check out our phone flipping buyers price list. This price list is a list that shows you the market value of devices. I'm talking about Apple Watches, iPads, MacBooks, phones that are new and phones that are used. Today, we're going to be dealing with two new iPhone 15s. I hate buying iPhone 15s. I'm literally sitting down on the couch with Tamia, we're watching videos, and I go on to offer. I'm like, you know what? I can't let my ankle being hurt stop me. First, last week it was a cold, and I just felt very down. I felt very sick, and I just wasn't as active as I wanted to be. Then, now, you guys know Sundays, I try to restart my week. So this Sunday, it turns out I go out 9 a.m., end up spraining my ankle to the point to where it's like a knot on the side of my ankle. It's not a regular sprain, so my mobility is very limited. But I'm sitting on the couch, I'm like, you know what? Let me get on OfferUp. Let me start setting my week up for success. And lo and behold, somebody that I have done work with before, he like, oh, what's up, B? It's such and such. I have two phones, and he was willing to sell them to me because he knows I'm good for it. I literally gave him the money cash, all hundreds, straight like that. He gave me the phones, boom, boom, bam. It was probably like a 1 minute interaction because he trusts me already and I trust him, right? We're already established. Now, he told me, I just got these phones for today and I will give you the receipt. Now, a lot of phone sellers do not give you the receipt, but he gave me the receipt. And again, we have a line of trust and a line of honesty. So number one, I got these two iPhone 15s, and one is pink, one is black. I'm assuming he went in there and said, I'm getting them for me and getting them for my girlfriend. I'm assuming, just because I know how he is. And I'm going to break down exactly because he told me a long time ago how he does this, how he does it. So number one, right? The way he goes about it is he feels like he's a handsome individual, okay? I'm not one to judge any guy, right? But he feels like he's handsome and he tells me, you know what I do? I go on Tinder. I go on all of these dating apps. I go on BOK. He said, I go on Instagram. I go on Twitter. He says, and I just literally DM people, talk to people. I'm social. And he's like, so what I do is I will end up becoming friends with people. And once I become friends with young ladies or even guys, what I do is I literally say, hey, do you want to make money? That's what I say. Do you want to make money? And he says usually what they'll say is no, but then they'll trust him on the strength of the relationship they have. And he literally goes in and tells them, hey, what carrier do you have? They'll say Verizon or T-Mobile. He'll say, okay, come and let's get phones at another carrier. You signed up and I'll give you X amount. So that's how he does it. He always has phones because he just uses people to get them. Now, how do I feel about that? I feel like that's kind of low down. You know what I mean? I feel like that sort of kind of is going to bite him in the end. I feel like eventually it's going to come to an end. I think, somebody should definitely be smart enough to just say no. But nevertheless, that's how he told me he does it. So then he brings me these phones, and he obviously, whatever he got going is working. He brings me the phones and they're always in great condition. So prime example, this phone, the only problem with this phone is it does not have the plastic. Now, a good thing about lock phones is they can be activated and you still get the same price. So it's okay that this doesn't have the plastic on it because it's still pristine, brand new. He literally just got these at the store. And I know he just got these at the store because he provided a receipt, which we're going to go over the receipt literally in a second, okay? So I want to show you guys, because a lot of people, y'all watching YouTubers talk about how to flip phones, but they don't tell y'all the dark side. They don't tell y'all the truth. They don't tell you how these people are getting phones, because guess what? They're not really phone flippers. They're not really out here in the street hustling. They're not really out here networking, and they don't really get these phones for real. Like, they don't really do this, okay? They're privileged individuals that either use their credit lines or their 401ks or whatever they got saved up and just keep buying phones, but these devices they're buying ain't really from people that are really out here like this individual, literally, okay? You can even see where a T-Mobile rep wrote down the quote for him, okay? Now, we're gonna go over this receipt, but one thing I do want to do is I want to take out some of this personal information, even though it's not his, I'm 100% sure, but I want to take out some of this personal information just in case it's somebody's, okay? So give me 1 second. All right, so I have the receipt covered up, but before I show you guys the receipt, what I do want to say is, let me explain to you what a wholesale seller is before anything. A wholesale seller is somebody that gets devices on a regular basis, and these devices aren't attached to them at all, but they seem to always be new or even used. But these devices are something they sell on a regular. They're not expecting an astronomical amount because they are only paying a small price for these. Now, a lot of people haven't understood what I was saying with this, so I'm going to literally explain it to you and show you exactly what a scammer is paying for 2 iPhone 15s, okay? And how much I paid him. So right now in the comments, what I want you to do is I want you guys to let me know how much you think this person paid. All right. Now, what I mean by that is how much do you think this person initially paid for these devices, okay? And then I'll tell you how much I gave them, and we're going to talk about the profit, okay? All right, guys. So, again, my ankle is hurt, so I'm trying to get the right angle, but this is exactly what the paper looks like, okay? So this is the paper, and as you guys see, you can see literally where they got the phone from, but you can also tell exactly what they paid. So as you see, iPhone 15 128 black kit, they paid $169.99. For the Apple 15 128 pink kit, they paid $169.99. The sale amount, the installment is, the total sale amount is around $1,659. But today all they had to pay was $339.98 plus $99.60 tax. So they paid a total of $439.58. Okay. Now, guys, they paid nothing towards the installment. They paid nothing towards any of the phones except for literally the taxes. Okay. So this person found somebody with great credit and they got these phones. Now, let me make this completely clear. You guys see my face. Like, you know, I be joking, playing, laughing, giggling, all of that, right? But no way, shape, or form am I saying this is something you should do. Like, don't get this video confused for me actually trying to show you a way to finesse the system and make a lot of money. First of all, let me tell you the truth, right? When it comes to you literally doing this, you might make fast money, okay? You might make a lot of money, but fast money does not stay, okay? When you make fast money, that fast money dissolves very quickly because you have no appreciation for it, right? But nevertheless, I'm just saying it as a disclaimer, like, don't try to do this. I just want all of my phone flippers to know exactly how people are getting the phones, so you know exactly why it is okay to buy some locked phones. Like, I know my guy not blacklisted these phones, was not even on his account, and it's not even going against him, and he doesn't even care. Okay, so this person paid a total of $439.58. I paid this person $800 cash, okay? I gave this person $400 each device, okay? Now, me giving them $400 each device, they are now making $800, okay? So they made $800, and we're gonna subtract $439.58. So they came out and made $360.42 from these phones, and they are happy with it. So you gotta understand, he didn't hesitate. He didn't really give me any problems because, one, he knows I'm good for it, and that's how it should be. Like, if you're somebody and you got to offer up, you got a MERCARI, I'm gonna tell you something that is always gonna have you locked in. My name in this phone flipping thing, especially in Philly, is out there. Now let me tell you why. Because I've been doing this for a while, but I also do really, really good business. And I'm also a really, really honest person, and you're not finna play with me when it comes to money or when it comes to my price. My price is my price. My business is my business. You're gonna respect it or you ain't. Me and this guy that sold me these phones, we got into plenty of arguments before because he's like, oh, well, your price is too low, and da-da-da. Well, go take it behind somewhere else. Okay, I'm gonna go to the Chinese man. Okay, go to the Chinese man. You feel me? Like, I'm not arguing with you about nothing. I am a buyer that stands on my price. You're gonna respect my price or you not, right? Now, here's the thing, okay? And if you don't, then you can go do business somewhere else. And I'm gonna tax you the next time you try to double back. But here's the thing. Let me tell you how he knew it was me. He knew it was me by my logo. So when I have an offer up, I put my logo on that offer up. When I have a Facebook, my logo's on that Facebook. So now, no matter what, I can change my Facebook, my offer ups can get deleted, my Facebooks can get deleted, whatever can get deleted. But guess what? As long as my logo is there, they know, oh, that's the guy. Oh, that's that. Oh, he's from there. So that's just a tip for all of my phone flippers. Get a logo. Get something that's going to make you literally be memorable. Because if you are remembered, can't nobody ever discredit or stop you, because your work ethic is going to speak for itself, because they're going to always remember you. And that is exactly what happened. So as this seems like a win for him, it's a win for me. But I'm going to tell you something. I ain't make a lot of money from this. I didn't. So for these iPhone 15s, excuse me, I don't know why I keep saying 14s. For these iPhone 15s, I'm gonna make $440, right? So I'm gonna make $40 from it, right? Now we all can agree that's not a lot of money, right? Understand. So I'm making $40 each phone. But let me tell y'all why I sit back. Why I did this. With a sprained ankle, why I went out there, risked my own self. Even though I knew him, so I didn't even have to really, I only stood outside my car and held onto the door and he came up to me. Because again, I know him. Now I still had my protection. I still was good no matter what, just in case. But I knew that this was, something different. But nevertheless, I know he even texted me literally when I came in the house and was like, oh, how much you paying for this? How much you paying for that? Because now, since we back locked in, that means that now, especially during the holiday time, I'm gonna have another source of income coming in from this guy. I don't gotta go to stores and finesse. I don't gotta go on Tinder and find a girl to create an account. Like, don't get me wrong, we probably all could do that, right? We all can go ahead and find somebody and say, hey, create an account and da-da-da, right? I don't gotta do that, right? Instead, I'm going to pay the people that are doing that hard work, going to the stores and standing there and getting declined and being told no and yes and whatever. I'm gonna just pay them and I'm gonna take the phones in, I'm gonna sell the phones, I'm gonna make my money and go about my day, all right? One thing I learned from this whole experience, guys, in general, is always do business the right way. Because that's the only way that you're going to be continuing to be able to be stable. Okay? Because bad business doesn't keep you stable. All right? Now, I'm going to go back to icing my leg. I wanted to create this video for you guys. Don't know when you're going to see it, but it's sometime this week. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys are making money work for you. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.